In the modern era, we classify cinema based on its nature into genres such as drama, horror, romance, thriller, documentary, adventure, and fantasy. But can you believe that thousands of years ago, the Indians were already classified drama in a similar way? This astonishing fact is recorded in the ancient Tamil epic Silappatikaram. Our ancestors classified drama into 4 categories based on its nature and characteristics. Those 4 types are Sattvathi, Arbadi, Kashiki, and Bharti. Sattvathi represents drama where righteousness, Aram, is the central theme and where divine or noble human characters appear as leaders. The Ramayana is considered an excellent example of Sattvathi. Arbadi represents heroic narratives where valiant human leaders take center stage. Stories of Vikramaditya, Karna, and Madurai Meeta Sundara Pandya and more fall under this category. Kashiki represents drama where love, lust are the central theme, and passionate individuals emerge as leaders. What is truly fascinating here is that ancient Tamils seemingly did not separate love and lust as 2 different concepts. Bharti represents dramas where performers or artists are the central figures. All fictional stories where performers take the lead are classified as Bharti. To classify dramas in such detail, ancient Indians used 14 explanatory elements or factors. Those 14 elements are Porul, Sathi, Yoni, Viruthi, Suvai, Kuripu, Sattavam, Abhinyam, Sol, Vagai, Vannam, Vari, Sandhi, and Setham. Even after defining grammar specifically for drama, for a performance to truly be engaging and enjoyable, it must contain 9 emotional flavors. Those 9 emotions are heroism, fear, disgust, wonder, desire, sorrow, anger, humor, and peace. When all 9 emotions are present, the drama receives great acceptance among the people. It is astonishing how relevant this concept remains even in today's world. To enhance the richness of drama further, music is essential. Ancient Indians classified music into 7 types. The 7 musical notes are Kural, Thrutam, Kakilai, Ujhai, Ili, Vilari, and Tharam. These 7 notes together contain 22 microtones called Srithi. Using these musical foundations, ancient Indian Tamils composed 11,191 musical compositions. According to commentaries on Silappatikaram, ancient musicians performed these songs based on the situation, season, and emotional state, bringing joy to the people. Among the musical instruments used to compose and perform these songs, the yal was one of the most important. The yal was classified into 4 types: Peri yal, Magra yal, Sakoda yal, and Sengoti yal. Classified based on the number of strings. Another important instrument is the kulal, or flute. This flute was made in 5 varieties: bamboo, sandalwood, bronze, redwood, and blackwood. Among these, bamboo was considered the finest and most primary material.